Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
In terms of Madam Aries, in the aspect of Madam Aries, Arifa, I don't know who is Aries. That's what he said. I don't know who is Aries. And he said, oh, yes, I know Madam Victoria. When they approached me back then for this contract, this case, I remember Madam Victoria. But for now, Madam Victoria is far away from this case because Madam Victoria is no more working with Ada Universe. Ada Universe is who employed us, not Madam Victoria or what you call an other name. I said, okay, that's a very good clarification, sir. Which means you are not somehow, somewhere close to Madam Victoria, because she has been the one, causing different kind of things, issues here and there on this justice. He said, and I quote, Arifa, I am not working with or for Madam Victoria. It is Ada Wazobia Foundation we are working for. Onile, my brother, good morning, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. I said, okay. And he said, Arifa, if you are not pleased, you can contact Ada Universe to ask about the relationship between Aries, Ada, and Bankole, which I am going to do that. And doing that, I'm not going to do that on my own. I'll be doing that here, live, now. I'm still battling the network. I'm trying to put a call across. I pray the network allows me, because me and network. Okay. Good evening, ma. Hello, ma. Hello. Oh my God. Hey. I beg now. Who go help me? Mona help me now. Make we stop this network problem where I dey face. I dey reconnecting. I dey routine. Good morning, ma. Let me, which kind of network with this? God, why now? God, why now? God, why now? Try to put a call across to Ada Universe. You know, a good one if they can be here and we can talk about it on a neutral ground. I'm not going to work with any form of hearsay, and I'm not going to work with any form of this is what somebody do when the person is not involved. Good morning, Adiva.
Good morning. According to the time.
Okay. Nice to have you here, and I'm live. Let me tell you this. I am live on TikTok presently.
Good to see you now.
Oh. I don't even know. Is my network okay? All right. Let's proceed. I would like Ada Universe to please introduce yourself. People can only hear you, they can't see you. You know? So I would like her to just say hi to people and let people know this is Ada Wazobia Foundation, and not that Arifa has put a call across to another person and telling us.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is the organization. Thank you guys.
All right. Thank you very much, ma. The people on the call are more than one, more than two, more than three. 1, 2, 3, 4 with Arifa making 5. So I would like everybody to just mute their mic so that we're going to enjoy the conversation.
Good evening, everybody.
All right. Good evening, ma.
There's network.
God have mercy on my network.
If we all mute so that we just hear who is speaking.
Okay. All right. At the comment section, the network, please let me know if the network is okay, please, because this section is very, very important, and there is little to clear out here. If the network is okay, at the end of the day, at the end of the show, I'm going to post this video for more and better clarification. Yes. I would like to put a question to Ada Universe, and after the question, I don't know if she, but highly important to me. That is why I called to put the question. Ma, few days ago, probably last week, I went to Barrister Bankole and Smith's chamber. They happens to be your lawyer. I say we're able to talk, and which I believe you must heard about. So first of all, ma, I want to start if I don't know if people are, and even me, I want to know the relationship between you, the Ada charity organization, and Madam Iris, the Iron Lady, on TikTok. Can you please add mom? Yeah, man. No, maybe she can hear me. I want her to put a light. I don't think she's there. She can give question pending the time she will be back, because I believe everybody here are directly connected to Ada Foundation. So please, I don't know if anybody can put response to that question.
You can say something, trying to connect others.
Okay.
You want to ask a question for others?
Hello, yes.
All right.
Okay. While we're waiting for others to take over, for others to again, maybe something is wrong with her. No. So we call her Aries as Victoria. We're all member of that platform, Genesis, but together. And we're all doing very well. We're all doing very well. We have had the justice of Mohbad involved on that platform. We actually gave her a what we're calling engine room then. And she actually was very nice, was very kind. And so we do the paper release, different we all did different in Lagos, half of Mohbad together, putting along the line. Wow, I think they left about, I don't know, 5 wrong. 6, please, can you correct me? I don't know, 6 months ago.
About.
So, they left about 6. What? On her own, you know.
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
The other people me.
Sorry, ma. If I might get it right, because my network is restricting here. If I might get it right, you said you people are being together right from the beginning. Being together. And she is doing extremely well with you people then.
Yeah, with us.
Okay. Then you did not know what really transpired. You did not really know what transpired between Ada or that. And she fall out for about 6 months ago now. Am I right, ma?
Oh, that I said 6 months ago. Plus, she left.
Okay, she left. Okay, she left about 6 to 7 months ago. Okay. Okay. If I might get it right, if I might gain information from you people.
No, she didn't. But let me say something. Before she left, she didn't. That's the answer to your question. She didn't. But something very important. Before she left, we all agreed to get a lawyer. So that was when Baba's lawyer was not was not forthcoming effectively as we wanted him. But you understand? For Baba's defense then, it was a little bit concerning to Falana that was taken by Black Widow. So we wanted a lawyer who could match up with Falana. So that listen, we need a star that can match up to Falana so that this justice can be gotten. This justice can be brought faster. The lawyer cannot match up to Falana. I just ask through the question to everybody, the panel, the comment section, and everybody. So we all agree with you. As things have opened, is going need somebody who can match up to Falana. So that was how one of us on the panel, who is a retired judge, elderly woman, who lives in America. Then she's going to get on the good side, which we did. We recommended that Bankole and me to us on the panel and the comment section, everybody in other universities. So we agreed. We checked his profile out, we checked him out, and we said yes, we good. So we went ahead and engaged him. So that is how Stan Bankole and his team to start working with Ada's Foundation.
All right, ma'am.
At that time, Victoria was still with us. So she's aware. She was still with us. We started donating money on ourselves, by ourselves, to pay our tax. Before Victoria now left.
Okay, ma.
So that's how she became, that's how she is aware. That's how she's aware of the Bankole.
Okay. My question is this. Let me check if
Victoria didn't contribute to the.
Hold on. Somebody, our sister is saying something. Hold on. Go ahead.
Okay. Even when they start, then I was only at the comment section. So we contributed, but Victoria did not contribute a dime to Bankole and Smith hiring. Okay. So I think she did her by hiring her own lawyer who we had always talked about. So that is how it stands. So Sam Bankole and Smith, what the lawyers, they are chambered. They are well people. We went to their profile and we saw that these people have done marvelous work in the past. That was how nation. And before you can even hire a high profile lawyer to come represent such a case, it has to come through an organization. So that was how that foundation, that put down her foundation, took the risk to put down her foundation. Because if you put down your foundation, if people don't pay, the foundation is going to be the one to pay. So she took that risk, and then that's why right now we are surprised, we are shocked. It's beyond our imagination for some people that are close to Baba to be going around maligning the name of Ada Foundation and Barrister Bankole and Smith.
Okay, ma. Okay, thank you very much, ma. Let me put it this way. First of all, I want more clarification on the payment aspects. I want to know if Madam Victoria is part of those who contributed to the payment of this Barrister Bankole and Smith. And because if you contribute to the payment, definitely you must have a say as well. And the way she has been putting things out there raised so much concern. She is 100% against the justice because she has her way of doing her own things. I may be wrong, but this is my own view. And I want to know if Madam Victoria is part of those who contributed to the payment of Barrister Bankole.
Hello?
Yes, I'm with you. I'm with you. Carry on, man.
Okay, so Madam Victoria is not part of the public that paid the money. She is doing her own thing, and I'm not going to even talk anything about her. She's doing, and I'm not going to say if she is anti-justice or for justice. But all I know is that Bankole and Smith was hired by the public.
Okay.
I believe that before I even go into something, I will be available to all these platforms. I saw this as a very credible platform, and with Paris, the payment of the
is that
If I does not answer your question, the direct answer to your question, is no. Victoria did not contribute a dime. To be contribute a dime, and service under Ada Foundation. We did not contribute anything.
A new vessel.
all right? I got that, and many people as well have gotten that Ada Foundation, let me say, Madam Victoria, known as Lady Harris, did not contribute a dime to the payment and the hiring of this Bankole and Smith, which means Lady Harris is not part of this movement or the acquiring of this son, if I may got it right.
Correct.
All right. Now, we've gotten the fact that Lady Harris has been away from Ada Foundation over 6 months ago. And in the course of justice, most especially on this black app, TikTok, Lady Harris have caused a lot based on her utterances, based on undigested information she brought out and all that, and her demands. This raised a lot of concern in the minds of people. If Lady Harris keep claiming that Bankole and Smith is their lawyer, she keeps using the words our lawyer, it raised a lot of concern in people's mind. Like, these people keep dragging Baba Mohbad, keep dragging this one, dragging that one. Anybody that stands on the right line of the justice will be dragged by them. If their lawyer is still the same lawyer we want to welcome in this case, definitely it is 100% risk, because the lawyer can compromise. The lawyer can compromise at any given time, in as much the lawyer is with these people and working hand in hand with these people. You understand? So now, that is why I put the question, like, okay, if Lady Harris is not part of you, did she have any right to Barrister Bankole and Smith in terms of seeking information or asking questions about how far they've gone concerning this case? Because I would love to let you people know today, but let me put that question first so that it will be easy for me to let you know what I want to say. Did she ask any right to Barrister Bankole in as much she's not part of you people and she's not part of the people who pay for the service of Barrister Bankole and Smith? Can you answer that question, man?
Let me tell you, just do our programs every day, spreading, praying for justice. Ada Wazobia Foundation. Ada posts it on the YouTube that anybody can access. There's no secrecy about it. So maybe that is where she gets the update. So she cannot meet under or on the disguise of Ada Foundation, because she's not part of the foundation anymore. So that is how it stands. If she goes to Bankole and Smith and on her own, not under Ada Foundation.
Okay.
Because Bankole and Smith is it. So if she wants a lawyer there and she goes there, it's not with the name of Ada Foundation.
All right, ma. Thank you so very much for that clarification.
If I may add, if I may tell me, if I may just to he had access to Napoleon State. But it's open to Lagos, still work on their own.